Hello and welcome to another update video about Harmony One. Harmony One is a crypto we've been covering here from I think August, September onwards. I think when we covered it the first time, we were around 13 cents. So it's still all good from that point of view. You know, at the time I talked about buying Harmony One and that I expect further rising prices. Now that all did work out till we then came to the peak, made that double top, and now we're coming down. In my view, we are in this ABC correction currently, and we have come down to the 0.618 fib level already at 17.8 cents. Did drop below that, recovered it, you know, came below it. We're currently retesting it. As you can see, we're currently at 17.7 cents. The 0.618 fib level is at 17.8. And if we zoom in, you can see how very well we're adhering to that fib level and that we're currently struggling to get through here. You can see how we're working towards it. Now we're going horizontal, but it's looking like a bit of a, you know, breakout buildup where the sellers can't really push the price lower. We made also a higher low here from there to here if we take the wicks. And yeah, I think that the buyers could have a possibility here to push the price through it, especially given the fact that you have a low here, a higher low, an even higher low, and another higher low here. So that indicates the sellers can't push the price any more lower. And as soon as we break here to the upside, we could see some nice upside. So for everybody who might want to go in, could go long and set a stop below the previous low. That's just an idea how to do it. I'm not doing that. I'm still waiting for lower prices, understanding that this might not work out. But I'm already invested in Harmony One, and I know people who like Harmony One and who've been following me on this channel probably are invested already. But at the moment, I'm waiting just for even lower prices based on my assumption that Bitcoin should really go down lower. I know this could be wrong, but it's just my personal strategy that I currently wait for lower prices. So if lower prices work out, then Harmony One could drop to the 0.786 fib level at 12.4 cents. And my buy orders that are put on the Discord for all channel members do recognize that. In the very worst case, we could even drop down to 9 cents. Is that really going to work out? Well, I think we could see the 10 cent level, probably like the psychological one, you know, if Bitcoin really drops below 30K. I mean, if we just take the percentage, Harmony One could actually drop even lower, but Harmony has already corrected here 65% to the low, and where we currently are 55%. If you assume another huge drop, well, from here, from where we are now, that would actually take us down, 47% would take us down to 11 cents. And if we talk about the 10 cent level, that would be around 10 cent level would be reached if we drop from now another roughly 40%, 43%. That's quite a bit. Don't necessarily think that is going to happen like that, but I think we might really see the 0.786 fib level here at 12.4 cents. And as I said, my buy orders recognize that. Even at the current prices, Harmony One is in my view good to dollar cost average in. It's a great cryptocurrency. A little bit the hype around one has died a little bit, but I think it's going to go up from here. You know, maybe after a little drop, but we're going to see much higher prices in the near future. Already back at 17 cents after we dropped all the way down to 13.7 cents. And Harmony generally a good cryptocurrency. So it all depends now. Are we going to get through this key resistance level at 17.8 cents? Now, if we fail, I think in the first instance, we come down here to that preceding or the descending trend line. That will probably be around 15.7 cents. Yeah, this is where I think we could be heading. If that resistance doesn't play out, then we come down to 15.7 here. Adhering basically to that descending trend line that we've been adhering to for a while now. And overall, Harmony One, is looking quite good overall. We retraced a lot already, and we are nearly getting into the oversold range, at which point, if we drop a little bit more, that would be a good position potentially to get in, after which we then would expect rising prices, because whenever you get into the oversold range, you can see that here, and here, you normally see bit of a reversal after that, and we're pretty much at this point now. Also, the MACD is very low already, and we see here a beginning turnaround potentially. That's what we saw for quant yesterday before it started to pump. So it's something to be aware of, really. And if that 17.8 cent level breaks, then we could see a nice upside from here. Overall, Harmony One, a great project. So overall, I see prices above 40 cents anyway. And I think next year, and this all is speculation because it all depends on how is really the cycle now playing out. But even if Bitcoin drops to 30K, what I expect, or even a little bit lower, we should get out of that fairly quickly. That's my view. And then next year we should maybe Q2 or so see much higher prices for Harmony One above the all-time high, possibly here $1, $150 at some point next year. So it's a great project, good price now, especially compared to where we were already. So that's my view on Harmony One. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.